Morning. Okay, good morning, everyone. Let's start our lesson today. So, today we're going to continue the part we missed last week. Okay, so we not yet finished our discussions for the question. So this is the question: 3 over sine theta minus 4 over cosec theta, okay, equal to 2. So from here, cosec we have to change into the sine first. Reciprocals of cosec is 1 over sine. Okay, 1 over sine. So we're back to the sine theta. So from here you get 3 over sine theta minus sine theta equal to 2. So in this condition, we don't allow the sine at the denominator place. So we need to do something. So how are you going to do this? We have to use the multiplication. Okay. Multiply sine theta, multiply sine theta, multiply sine theta for each terms. Okay, every so that it will become 1. So from here you get 3 minus sine theta. Sine theta multiplied with sine theta equal to what? Sine theta square equal to 2 sine theta. So sine theta multiply sine theta, it will become 3 minus sine square theta equal to 2 sine theta. Then you move back again, positive. Sine square theta move to the right, so that it becomes sine square theta plus 2 sine theta. Then 3 move to the right hand side, become minus 3 equal to 0. Then after this, we can solve it by using the factorization. Okay, sine theta, 133, positive, negative. So you will get sine theta minus 1 equal to 0, or sine theta plus 3 equal to 0. Okay? Minus 3. After this, you use your calculator to place. You press your calculator, you will get your theta equal to shift sine 1. Shift sine 1, so it's equal to 90 degrees. But if you press shift sine negative 3, then your calculator will show make error, right? It means that the value is undefined. Also, the angle undefined. Sorry. So undefined means reject lah. We don't accept this one. So we only accept. So the conclusion, the angle is 90 degrees. We have one angle only. So do you understand for this part? Sine square. If you don't understand, I can show you the easier way is we can use the value to represent it. For example, it's very hard for you to see the sign and the value in sine theta. For example, we can simply change it into the y. Let's say this is y. Y equal to sine theta. So we can let y equal to sine theta. So from here, the value you get just now is 3 over sine theta minus sine theta equal to 2, right? So we change the sine theta into y now. 3 over y minus y equal to 2. Is it easier for you to see the pattern? Okay, so y, so over 1 over 1. So we have to, we cannot let the y in fraction, so we have to change it. 3 over y multiply y, y over 1 multiply y, 2 over 1 multiply y. So you get 3 minus y squared equal to 2y. So y squared plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Then factorization. So you get 3 equal to minus 3 or y equal to minus 3 or y equal to 1. Okay, so you change back y equal to sine theta. Sine theta equal to minus 3, sine theta equal to 1. So this one undefined. And this one equal to 90 degrees. So your conclusion, the angle is 90 degrees. Okay, this is the alternative way. Okay. So now we go back to the example in your textbook. Okay, you see this question. This question is easy. Sin, he give you sin 30 degrees 6.5. He give you cos 30 degrees 0.866. Okay, find the value. Okay, now how are we going to find the value of each of the following? A is second, B is A, B, and A and B lah. Okay, so the first one, you see, do we need to draw right angle triangle? Do we need to draw the triangle for this question? Because the previous question I asked you to draw the triangle first, right? But for this question, do we need to draw the triangle? What is the purpose for us to draw the triangle before? Because it's in fractional form and it gives you one of the value, either sin or cos only. So we need to use the right angle triangle to find the other value, for example, cos and tangent. But for this one, he gives you the sin, he gives you cos. So do you know how to find tangent? Actually, the tangent here is easy. You don't need to draw the triangle anymore. Okay, the tangent is sin over cos, right? So from here, you know the tangent 30 degree equal to sin 30 over cos 30. 30 is equal to sin 30 degree over cos 30 degree. So is the value 0.5 over 0.866. Huh? Then you have seen cos tangent already, then we can find the value. So look at A, how to find the second 150. Second 150, what is this location? Second positive angle, 150. So second we change into the cos first, reciprocal, 1 over cos 150. So what is the reference angle or what is the basic angle? The basic angle is 30 degree, right? 30 degree, huh? 1 over cos 180 minus 150. So you get 1 over cos 30 degree. So here 30 is positive or negative? Cos, look at the cos here. Cos is x-axis, right? The x coordinate. So the cos here is negative. So you need to put negative. The value is negative 1 over cos 30 degrees. Okay, understand why it's negative? That one I already teach you last week, right? We look at the axis. We look at the axis. Again, I repeat. Coordinate 0, left hand side, negative. Right hand side, positive. This one will look at cos. Okay, then the up, positive, up sign, up, down sign. Okay, this one how we determine. Then negative 1 over cos 30, 0.5. So your answer is it 0.5? Oh, sorry, cos is 0.866. Saving first. So it's 0.866. So 1 over 0.866, you get answer negative 1.155 for significant figure. Okay. And now we go to B. B. Okay, I give you the value for sine for cos 0.30 degree. So how are we going to find this one? Change. Second reciprocal 1 over cos minus 13 over 6 pi radian. The value is in radian form, so we need to change the radian form into the degree first. Radian change to degree. Radian change to degree, radian smaller value, degree bigger value, so is multiply 180 over pi lah. So negative 13 over 6 pi radian equal to negative 13 pi over 6 multiply with 180 over pi. So you get the value is how many? 30. 390 minus 390 degree. So I get minus 390 degree. So equal to 1 over cos minus 390. So how you going to draw it in the Cartesian plan? Which quadrant it locate? 390 is more than one circle, right? More than one circle in first quadrant, right? So negative. This is negative angle, so we clockwise. So it's here. Okay, 390. So it's 360 minus 30. 360, one circle minus 30. So the reference angle is 30 degree. 360 and 30. Okay, so it's 30 degree. 30 degree here. So it will change 30 degree. Then we have to determine whether the cos 30 here is positive or negative. Cos is s coordinate. S coordinate here is positive. So it's 1 over cos 30 degree. 1 over cos 30 degree. Okay, 0.866. So answer is 1.155. Okay, any question? So we go to the next question. This is a quiz. Complete the following trigonometry ratios for the negative angles as the example given. So it gives you the first one. It gives you the sine with the negative angle A equal to negative sine A. Then it wants you to fill the value for cos tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Not the negative form. Is equal to negative or positive. Which one are you going to fill out? How do you going to fill it? So to get the value for this one, we need to know the first is the angle A is located in which quadrant first? Is quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4? Okay, let me explain to you. Okay, so first one I give you sine minus A equal to minus sine A. So A we have to determine, we have to know whether this A is acute angle, obtuse angle, or reflex angle. Okay, let us try lah. So the first one, let's say it's an acute angle, but because it's negative A, so we move down lah. Move down. So it will be in fourth quadrant. It will be in fourth quadrant. So let's say is value for 30 degree lah. Negative 30 degree. Is it sine negative 30 degree same with negative sine 30? Okay, is it? Okay, SSTK. You can use the all student take calculus. So you know here is cos only positive, or you can either use the word I teach you. Okay, you see, sine is we determine the y coordinate, y coordinate. So the y coordinate here is negative, so it's negative sine 30. Okay, so this relation, yes, can apply. Okay, we can apply the relations here. So let's see if it's an acute angle. Then, this is acute angle. How is this is an obtuse angle? Obtuse angle, it means that in between 90 and 180, circle quadrant. Okay, let's say like this. So it will be, let's say, negative 100. Oh, sorry, wrong marking. Negative from here to here, negative 150 degree. So the reference angle is 30 degree. Okay, so your sine negative 150 degree. Reference angle, it will become sine 30 degree. Okay, sine 30 degree. Okay, we see the value here. The sine, negative sine 30. Is it same? You see, is it the value the same? The value not same because one is negative 130, another one is 30. So this one cannot apply. It means that the value for the question asked is not in this form. And also the same thing happened to the reflex angle. Okay, third quadrant. Let's say this is negative 220 and another one, let's say in this form, negative 330. Okay, this one all cannot be applied, but I show you. So this one, the reference is 30 degree. And this reference also 30 degree. So for this relation, sine negative 210 equal to, now the sign is positive, sine 30 degree. And this one, because up, y-axis, y coordinate. And this one, sine negative 30, then equal to sine 30 positive. Okay, so you see this different. Only the first one, this one, we can apply. So from here, we already know that we know that it's in the fourth quadrant. It's already in fourth quadrant now. Fourth quadrant, so it means that what value will be positive, then the rest will all be negative. All students take calculus. Okay, so only cos positive. Cos, the reciprocal for cos is, what is the reciprocal for cos? Is it second or cosecant? Second positive. So it means that the rest are all negative. So then you can go back here. So you know cos will be positive. Cos A, then the reciprocal for cos is second. So it's second A. So the rest will all be negative. Negative tangent A, negative cotangent A, and negative cosecant A. Okay. Can follow? So we go back to the another part. The second method to find the values is unit circle. So we back to the slide 49 now. 49. Okay. The second method using a unit circle to find out the value. Okay, so for the radians in a circle, There is two kind of way to find the value. A full circle will be 360 degrees, or a circle will be 2 pi radian. Okay? You'll see this. So one circle, the radius, let's say is r. So this is your r, then this is your angle. 1 radian, 2 radian, 3 radian, pi radian for half circle. 100 degrees is pi radian. 360 degrees is 2 pi radian. Okay? This is the concept. So you have to remember. Then unit circle, normally for the unit circle, it will be labeled both of the value of the angle in the degree and also the pi radian form. Then another one is, normally here is 1, 1, -1, and -1. Okay, so this value actually set with the concept of sine theta and cos theta, that one I show you lah. Sine and cos. So remember again. Okay, I reinforce again. X is cos angle, cos theta. S is cos theta or cos t. Y is sine theta or sine t. Okay, then this is 1. Let us practice the question. Okay, we look at example 7. Okay, this is a unit circle we show you lah. We show you the unit circle. This is 1. Okay, the value here is 1, -1, -1, and +1. Yeah, this 4 points. Then it gives you the coordinate also. If the question didn't give you the coordinate, you need to find it by yourself. Okay, so 45 degrees. So we do it one by one. A. Okay, what is the value for cos 135 degrees? Cos 135 degrees is the second quadrant. Second quadrant. Cos 135 degrees. So we need to find the reference one. Reference is 45. Correct? 180. Cos 135 equal to cos 180 minus 135. So equal to cos 45 degrees. After this, we determine the cos is positive or negative. Cos is positive or negative. Cos is x coordinate or y coordinate. Cos is x coordinate. Okay, x coordinate. Xy, cos sine. Okay, cos is x. Okay, x here is negative, so you put a mark negative. Or you can simply say, look at the value for the cos is, look at here, second one is negative, right? Straightforward right answer, -1 over square root 2. Can see this? Can? Then B, cosec, -pi/4 radian. Pi over 4 radian is equal to what degree? 2 pi radian is 360, right? So pi over 4 radian is what? 360. We change into the radian. I will change into the degree if you cannot figure out. But if you can figure out, you know it's 45 degrees. So now we change. So pi over 4 radian is pi over 4. Okay, change into degree 180 over pi. So you get 180 over pi is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So cosec minus pi over 4 radian equal to cosec negative 45 degree. Negative 45 degree go down. Negative 45 degree. So this is what we want to find out. This is cos, this is sine. Okay, see the question 1, cos or sine. So here now, cosec, change to the reciprocal, 1 over sine. Negative 45 degree. Negative 45 degree, this one. So answer is negative 1 over square root 2. Hey, is it something wrong? Sorry, here wrong. So your answer is 1 over sine negative 45. Sine negative 45 is this one. So it's negative 1 over square root 2. Okay. 1 over 1. So it's with negative square root 2. Okay. At least straightforward, look at the diagram, then you will find the answer. So, okay. So we're done for this part already. Then I will teach you. Yes, thank you. So now, oh, sorry. Where am I? No, where am I? We go back to this question. Is it this question example 9? One more question before we go to the next part. Okay, given to you the A equal to 2 over 5 and now the question is different here is it give you the range. The value for the angle is in between 270 and 360. So it means that it is in which quadrant? 270 to 360. So is 1, 2, 270, 360 in this quadrant. Fourth quadrant, not third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Because 270 is here, 360 is here. So it's fourth quadrant. So it means that the value for A should be in this form. So the reference one is this. Okay. So we find the value. We find the basic angle first. What is your basic angle? Or okay, or we draw out the triangle first. So you know your triangle is in fourth quadrant. Okay, fourth quadrant. Why fourth quadrant? I show you here already. Because in between 270 and 360. So your angle must be here. Angle must be here. They give you the value for cos. Cos is 2 over 5. Why the value here is positive? Because fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Positive. Okay, 2 over 5. 2 over 5 is opposite over hypotenuse, right? Or over h, right? So it's 2, 5. 2, 5, so you know what is your value here? Oh, sorry, I do wrong again. Where is your angle? I forgot to put angle. Cos is so ka to, not over h, sorry, cos is a over h, cos a, cos a, the angle here, a over h, 2 over 5. So what is the value here? The value for the sine here is what? This is 5 square minus 2 square. So it's square root 21. So it's square root 21. So you will get your value here. Cos A equal to 2 over 5. Sine A equal to square root 21 over 5. And another one, the sign here is positive or negative. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, sine, y coordinate, negative 21 over 5. Negative 21 over 5. Okay, this one you have to know. Then A, what is the tangent A? Tangent A is sine over cos. Sine A over cos A. Okay, or you can simply use all over A. Okay, you know to use this one. Tangent is all over A. All is opposite square root 21. A is 2. And here is positive or negative. Fourth quadrant, tangent, negative. Okay. Then B, this is B lah. I don't do it here lah. This is B. Then we go to C now. Second A, reciprocal 1 over cos A. Okay, 1 over cos A, 1 over 2 over 5. So it's 5 over 2. That's it. Okay, it's very simple question, but you have to know how to apply the concept. If you don't understand the question, then you won't be able to answer the question. This is the graph. So this is, we add up 2 questions today for the last week lesson because I know it complete. So you do this. This is using the unit circle. So today we go to a new part, that is the right angle triangle. For the spatial angles, okay, you see this, we have few types of angle. Acute triangle, I mean that the angle, the 3 angles are less than 90 degrees. Right angle, 1 angle with 90 degrees. Okay, 1 angle with 90 degrees is minus 1. Then obtuse, it means that 1 angle must be more than 90. This angle must be more than 90. In between 90 and 180. Then for the equilateral triangle, I mean that segitiga sama sisi lah. Isosceles triangle, 2 equal sides. Then scaling line triangles, no equal side. For isosceles triangle, yeah, we will use the isosceles triangle later. For isosceles triangle, these 2 angles will be the same. Okay. Then for equilateral triangle, these 3 angles will be the same. All 60 degrees. Okay. This one only revision. Okay. Then shortcut, you have to know lah. Shortcut, how to find sine, cos, and tangent using the right angle triangle. So today we are going to learn how to find the value for the spatial angle by using this method. Okay. What is the spatial angle? So 30, 45, and 60. We learned about these 3 angles first. Actually, we still have other spatial angle. It can be 180, 270, 360. Also the spatial angle triangle. But this one we can multiply later. So you only need to remember what is the spatial angle for the 30, 45, and 60. For example, sine, cos, tangent for 30 degrees and sine, cos, tangent for 45, sine, cos, tangent for 60 degrees. Straightforward using the, without using the calculator. Then the answer must be in form of the round number form. Okay, double other decimal. So must be in the form. Okay, we figure out it one by one. For example, square for 45 degrees. So to determine this question, you need to draw a square. Square is for you to find the value for 45 degrees. Spatial angle for 45 degrees. Sine, cos, tangent for 45 degrees. So first, let all the value is 1, 1, 1, 1 each side. Okay, so what is the value here? What is the value for the hypotenuse here? The hypotenuse here is 1 plus 1 square, correct? So it's square root 2. Is it? Square root 2, So the hypotenuse is square root 2. So we put an angle here 45 degrees. Okay, because half of 90 degrees is 45 degrees. 45 degrees, this is hypotenuse, then your adjacent, then this is your opposite. Okay, then you use Socator. Sine all over h. All over h. 1 over square root 2. Cos of a over h, 1 over square root 2. Tangent 1 over 1 equal to 1. Can? Then cosec is 1 over sine 45. Also is the reciprocal for sine 45. Sine 45 here. So it's 1 over square root 2, so it's square root 2. Okay, then the second is 1 over cos 45. So 1 over cos square root 2. Cotangent, so it's 1 over tangent 45. So 1 over 1, still 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here we can get the value for the 6 trigonometric ratio in 45 degrees. Okay, then for the angle, special angle for 30 and 60 degrees, we need to use an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. Is it isosceles triangle? Equilateral triangle, I think. Equilateral triangle. We have to use an equilateral triangle for 30 and 60 degrees. Okay, it means that these three sides are same length. Now these three are the same. But I don't use 1 unit at the side now, because I want to use this one. This one, 1 unit. 1, so I use 2 units. Not easier for you to get the value. Okay, 2 units. So here is 60 degrees. 60, 30. Okay, so first one, we want to find the value for 30 degrees first. 30 degrees, okay, we choose one. We choose one triangle first. Let's say I choose this one. Okay, 30 degrees. Okay, so I look at here only lah. I look at the 30 degree here only. Here 30. Okay, 2, 1. Then what is the value here? This is 90 degrees. This is hypotenuse. Okay, what is the value here? Here is 2 square minus 1 square. 4 minus 1. So it's square root 3. Square root 3. Right now. Square root 3. So we get 2y square root 3, So this is h. So we don't look at this one, because now we want to find the 30 degree. So look at here, h, a, or opposite is 1. So sine, again, Socator. Sine all over h. All 1 over h. H is 2, 1 over 2. Cos is a over h. Square root 3 over 2. Tangent all over a. Tangent all over a, 1 over square root 3. Cosec, 1 over sine. 1 over sine. So it's 2. Then 1 over cos. 2 over square root 3. Okay. Then last one, cotangent. Cotangent is 1 over tangent. So it's square root 3. Okay. Then we do the same for the 60-degree one. I will use another side of triangle, easier for you to figure out. Okay, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Okay, 60-degree. So now we look at this one. We don't look at 30 now. Okay, 60-degree. So this is your hedge. 2 is your hedge. Adjacent is 1. Then opposite is square root 3 now. Difference, huh? Okay, so sine all over hedge. All over hedge. Square root 3 over 2. Huh? Cos 1 over 2. Tangent 60. Tangent 60 over a square root 3. Okay. Then cosec 1 over cos. Okay, so it's 2. Second, 1 over, sorry, wrong here. 1 over sin. One over sin 60-degree. So 1 over sin 60-degree is 2 over square root 3. Then 1 over cos 60-degree is 2. Then 1 over tangent 60 is equal to 1 over square root 3. Okay, so this is how we get the value. How we get the value? See, tangent 60 by using the right angle triangle. So you have to know how to draw the two types of. One type is you draw a square for 45 degrees. Then another one is you draw equilateral triangles to find the 30 and 60 degree. Okay, for the spatial formula. Okay, now I want to take 5 minutes breakfast. We'll go take drink water. What?